Greetings 55s to you all. Today we're looking at the AnyTone AT778 UV2 VOX plus the Sharman SM30 PSU and a DIY shelf stack for them both, so have fun.
And that was slightly better. The Motorola is very, very sensitive, and I can make them click. So you're not the only one. If I put the 400 on, you'd be absolutely fine on that. Yeah, well, I'm going for lunch now, Frank. It's gone 1 o'clock, and I haven't had anything to eat since 5 this morning. So I'm going to go and grab some lunch while I can. I don't know what time Ian's going to be home, but I suspect it's not for another couple of hours yet. So I'll take a final, and then I've done enough radio for today. I've sorted through enough paperwork, so it's been quite productive.
The Sharman SM30 SWI, lovely little power supply, very quiet, and also it only gets very slightly warm after extended use of time, so highly recommended to run this rig as a home base. And believe me, you will like the fact that you won't have to be changing batteries every 5 minutes. All good fun. I'll probably change the mesh for something a little bit more stylish if I can find it. I'll probably have to have a good scrummage on eBay, I think, see if I can find something. But yeah, your own choice.
In the Wirral. On the van. From my hotspot hasn't got a 70-mile range. Cheers, Rob.
Hotspot indeed. Yeah, there you have it. So it is an absolutely excellent little radio and power supply combination, and the fact that it's on a shelf makes it, or a little homebrew shelf or stand, makes it easy to move around if you want to. I would highly recommend a surge protected power supply plug though. Make sure that you look after your radio, and of course unplug everything if there's a storm coming. Make sure that you at least take the antenna out and unplug the thing from the mains, okay? Hope you enjoyed this little review. Catch you later. 73s and 88s to you all. Bye bye.